Hi, welcome to an Onshape video tutorial, the next part in the WW-109 fighter plane series. Today I want to make the height rudder, and I will make it very easy. I will just scale down that wing. Of course you could build it anew, but I want to save time. And I could split that complete surface. Should be, let's take it, the fuselage, that's a complete fuselage, yeah. I want to split it. Yes, with the main sketch plane, which should be somewhere up here. With this one. And okay. So I should be able to hide one side. Yeah. Now I want to have a copy of this one and I want to scale it. So let's go for transform. I go for transform, not by line but by X, Y, Z. Yes. And I want to copy that part. I want to copy this part. And let's move it in that direction. And move it up at least a little bit because I want to scale it anyway. And we'll move it later on to the correct place. So let's scale it down with the same command. I want to scale it. I want to scale this one here. It needs just a point, so I will go for this point here. You could use any point. I will go for this one. And the factor should be 0.4. And confirm. Now I can move it to the correct place, but I need the image sketch, and then we can move it to a more appropriate place. Let's go for transform. I want to transform this one and along X, Y, Z, which should give me that tool. And let's move it with this one maybe just maybe here. No, a little bit up, maybe like that. Okay, and confirm. Now I could hide that image again. Nice, and now I need to split, make a fillet and join those and mirror it completely. So let's go for a split. I want to split this part with that one here, and I want to keep the tools and confirm. Then again I want to split this part with that part, and again I want to keep the tools, confirm. Now I should be able to hide this one here and also hide that one here. And now I have to split once more. Let's split this body with that one here. Sorry, with that one. Keep the tools, confirm. Hide this surface. Let's move over here, again a split. I want to split this surface with that one here. Keep the tools, confirm. Hide that one. Now I want to make a Boolean operation. I want to join. This should be the main part, and I want to add this one and that one. Confirm. And now I want, let's see if we can do a fillet here. I want to make a fillet circular. Let's select the edge. Doesn't go all around, so let's add those edges. And that small one, yeah, it's around. And let's try 50. Seems to work. I could try 100. No, that doesn't work. So let's go back to 50 and confirm. Then another fillet at the end here. Select the edges. Looks okay. Let's go for 30. Nope. So let's try 20. Still not working. Maybe 10 millimeter. Still not working. Let's go for 5 millimeter. Yeah, this works, and confirm. And now I should be able to mirror that body. So where's my mirror command? There you go. I want to mirror that part with the main sketch plane, which should be up here. There you go. And confirm. And I'm done for this one. Of course, you can add those machine gun barrel cutouts here. Just use a cylinder and trim that surface. And you could also model here some sort of air intake down below. So I hope it was helpful. Hope you liked it. If you did like it, please give it a like or leave a comment. If you want to see more, please give it a like or leave a comment. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe to my Facebook fan page. If you want to use that model, just look for WWC and you will find it with the search in Onshape. Thanks for watching. See you till next one. Bye bye.